Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, how are you? How is your preparation going for the MDK 2025? तो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपना लेक्चर. वी आर हियर विथ अ न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ द बायोलॉजी सपोर्ट एंड द मूवमेंट. आई एम डॉक्टर आमिर रजा. स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपना लेक्चर. The first question is two sides of the bones in a joint attached by MDK 2000. Option A tendon, B ligament, C synovial cavity, D all of these. तो बोन टू बोन अटैचमेंट होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिगामेंट. व्हाट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिगामेंट. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. Then second question is hinge joint allow the movement of the limbs. MDK 2000 का क्वेश्चन है. ऑप्शन ए इन वन डायरेक्शन, बी टू डायरेक्शन, सी थ्री डायरेक्शन, डी ऑल डायरेक्शन. तो हिंज जॉइंट इज लाइक योर डोर, इट अलोज द मूवमेंट इन ओनली वन डायरेक्शन. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट. Ball and socket joint present in MDK 2000. Option A elbow, B knee, C shoulder, D none. तो ball and socket joint present होता है at the shoulder and in other ball and socket joint present होता है to your hip joint. C option is the correct. Then question number 4 is that synovial capsule surrounds the dash joint. MDK 2000. Option A hinge joint, B ball and socket joint, C A and A both are, and D none of these. तो hinge joint and ball and socket joint both are the surrounded by the synovial capsule. C option is the correct. Hydrostatic skeleton can be seen in. Option A earthworm, B roundworm, C flatworm, D all of these. So it is found in earthworm. Then is question number 6. Grasshopper possesses this type of the skeleton. MDK 2000. Again, option A endoskeleton, B exoskeleton, C hydrostatic skeleton, D none of these. So grasshopper contain the exoskeleton. The B option is the correct. Then is axial and appendicular skeleton can be a part of MDK 2000. Option A endoskeleton, B exoskeleton, C hydrostatic skeleton. So axial and appendicular skeleton are the part of endoskeleton. B option is the correct. Then we are moving towards question number 8. It is skull, vertebral column and ribs are the part of. Skull, vertebral column and ribs are the part of axial skeleton. Option A is the correct. Then is pelvic pectoral limbs are the part of axial, appendicular, hydrostatic, exoskeleton. So these are the part of appendicular skeleton. Again the B option is the correct. Which of the following is not protected by skeleton? Option A heart, brain, lungs and kidneys. So kidney is not protected by the skeleton. The option is the correct. Then is exoskeleton of arthropod is made up of. Exoskeleton of arthropod is made up of the chitin. It is the polysaccharide, but it is the heteropolysaccharide. Question number 12. The point of attachment of the two bones. MDK 2000. Option A joint, B synapse, C elbow, D knee. So attachment of two bones called as joint. A option is the correct. Then 13 invertebrates. There are dash type of muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 3 type of muscles. These are smooth, cardiac and skeletal. C option is the correct. Involuntary striated muscles are called. MDK 2000. Option A skeletal muscle, B smooth muscle, C cardiac muscle. So involuntary striated are but involuntary. These are the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are basically striated but they are involuntary in the function. Then question number 15. The vertebrate skeleton is made up of. MDK 2006. A cuticle, B bone, C both, and B D none of the above. Vertebrate skeleton is basically made up of the bones. B option is the correct. 16 क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वॉलंटरी मसल? MDK 2007, बाइसेप, सी कार्डियक, डी सी स्टमक एंड डी वेजल्स. तो बाइसेप्स आर बेसिकली your forearm muscle, and it is on the anterior side, it is attached on the anterior side of your humerus. तो it is the voluntary muscle. Striated and voluntary muscle are basically, these are called as skeletal muscles. 17, the lower two pair of ribs are MDK 2016, falls to floating ribs, articulated ribs. So these are basically floating ribs because these are not attached to any other bone. Cranium, a part of the skull, form the brain box and consist of dash bones. MDK 2016, option A 10, B 8, C 5 and D 3. तो cranium consists of the 8 bones. Sorry. 19 question is, which one of the following statement describes sliding joints? MDK 2016, statement 1 is, these joints allow bone to slide over one another to make the movement in many direction. Second is, vertebrae are linked by sliding joints. Third is, these joints do not allow the joining bones to move. Fourth is, bones of the ankle or wrist are connected by the sliding joints. So these are the option given. So correct option is which? 1 and 4 are the correct, because these joints allow bone to slide over one another, and 4 one is bones of the ankle, your ankle and wrist joint are connected by the sliding joint. The correct option is D. Which row describes the shoulder joint of in arm? MDK 2015, shoulder joint. Radius ulna, ball and socket, flexion and extension. Scapula, humerus, ball and socket, rotation, flexion. C is radius ulna, hinge, rotation and extension. D scapula, humerus, hinge, flexion and extension. So B, scapula, humerus, ball and socket, rotation, abduction, extension and flexion. Basically scapula is your backside bone, humerus is your forearm bone, and this joint is called as the ball and socket joint, and it helps in the rotation of your arm. Abduction means you are moving the arm towards your body, and there is extension and flexion. When you flex the arm, its angle decreases, and when you extend the arm, its elbow angle increases. So correct option is B. Question is 21st. The radius and ulna joint at the wrist with the dash small carpal bones. MDK 2016. So carpal are basically 8 carpals, but the tarsals are 7, which are present in your foot. Correct option is D. What is the correct sequence of the bones in the arm of the mammal from the hand to the shoulder? MDK 2016, hand to shoulder आपको डायरेक्शन मिला हुआ है. ऑप्शन ए ह्यूमरस, रेडियस, स्केपुला. बी ह्यूमरस, स्केपुला, रेडियस. सी रेडियस, ह्यूमरस, स्केपुला. डी स्केपुला, रेडियस एंड ह्यूमरस. तो फर्स्ट बोन फ्रॉम द हैंड इज द रेडियस, देन इज द ह्यूमरस एंड देन इज द स्केपुला. आपने ध्यान रखना है, हैंड टू शोल्डर पूछ रहा है आपसे. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज, what is the correct option? Radius, humerus and scapula. C. Hinge joint occurs in MDK 2015. Option A elbow, B wrist, C ankle, D backbone. Hinge joint occur in your elbow. Elbow joint moves in only one direction, which is flexion or extension of your arm. So it is present at the elbow. Identify the bones in which the connecting joints are freely movable joints. MDK 2015. Option A ankle, B wrist, C vertebrae, D elbow, E all of the above. So all the above are the freely movable joints. Okay, the correct option is E. All these joints can move. The diagram shows some of the muscles and bones of the human arm. MDK 2015 and MDK 2014. यहाँ पे मसल एक्स है, मसल वाई है और एल्बो जॉइंट दिया गया है। व्हेन मसल एक्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स व्हाट हैपेंस टू द आर्म एंड व्हाट हैपेंस टू द मसल वाई। जब आपका मसल एक्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है तो मसल वाई और आर्म के साथ क्या हो रहा है, आर्म एंड मसल दिया गया है। उसके बाद ऑप्शन से ए बेंड्स, सी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, डी बी बेंड्स, सी रिलैक्सेस, सी स्ट्रेंथ्स, रिलैक्सेस, डी स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। तो बेसिकली द मसल वाई इज योर बाइसेप मसल एंड मसल एक्स इज योर ट्राइसेप मसल। दीज आर द एंटागोनिस्टिक मसल। मसल वाई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा तो मसल एक्स रिलैक्स करेगा, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे कहा गया है कि मसल एक्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, जब मसल एक्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो हमारा जो आर्म है वो सीधा होगा। जब आपका नॉर्मल आर्म होता है स्ट्रेट आर्म, स्ट्रेट आर्म की कंडीशन में आपका जो मसल एक्स है यानी ट्राइसेप मसल है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड होते हैं और ये जो आपके बाइसेप्स मसल वाई है वो आपका रिलैक्स होता है, ठीक है। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी। व्हाट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी। Okay, then question is why skeletal muscles are called striated muscles? Option A, they appear darker than smooth muscles by the naked eye. B, alternating dark and light bands appear on their surface when visualized by the naked eye. C, alternating dark and light band appears on their surface when visualized via microscope. D, all of these. तो skeletal muscle को जब हम देखते हैं थ्रू द माइक्रोस्कोप दे शो द अल्टरनेटिंग डार्क एंड लाइट बैंड्स। These are called as the striations. Option C is the correct. Then is question number 29. The number of muscles in the human body is about MDK 2016. Option A 200. Option B 300. Option C is the 400. Option D is 500 and option E is 600. तो approximately जो muscle का number है in the human body it is about 600 muscles. Then question number 30 is bones of the skull are joined by MDK 2011. Option A fixed joint, B sliding joint, C pivot joint, D hinge joint, E gliding joint. तो स्कल के जो बोन्स हैं उनके बीच जो जॉइंट है वो है फिक्स्ड जॉइंट आर मोर स्पेसिफिकली वी कॉल इट इज अ फाइब्रस जॉइंट, ठीक है। दिस इज द फिक्स्ड जॉइंट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट मूवेबल। Question number 30. First, the muscle attached to the bones are MDK 2010. Option A voluntary and smooth, C involuntary and smooth, C voluntary and striated, D involuntary and striated. जितने भी मसल आपके बोन के साथ अटैच्ड होते हैं वो all these are the voluntary and striated muscles. More जब हम उसको स्पेसिफाई करेंगे तो these are the basically skeletal muscles. Okay. Which of the following bones are present in the palm of hand? MDK 2009. Option A carpal, B metacarpal, C phalanges, D tarsals, E radius. So these are the basically metacarpals. Option B is the correct. इस वीडियो को हम यहाँ पे ही रोकते हैं और ये जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में कवर करेंगे। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।